Hey, what's up everyone? James here from Beaxy to bring you another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be narrated and conducted by Steven Sophocleus, who is our resident expert on all things MetaTrader 5. So with that, I'll have Steve take it away. He's going to show you how to set up an MT5 wallet inside of your Beaxy account. The only prerequisites here are that you download MT5 from the MetaQuotes website and that you register a Beaxy account and KYC your Beaxy account before setting up. With that, I'll let Steve take it away.
All right, so once your account is created and verified, we'll go down in the My Account Balances section and add an MT5 wallet. And you can choose between Bitcoin, USD, and USDC. And in the password space here, we're just going to add our regular Beaxy Exchange password. And then once you've created your first wallet, you'll see the icons to download MT5 right below those. So you can click based on your operating system. And then after that downloads, finish the installation and just get the MetaTrader 5 window ready. So if you need to fund your account with crypto, you can go to the Deposit Crypto tab to browse through what's available and fund it with any crypto you have that you want to deposit with. Or if you want to buy with a credit card or gift card or other methods through Paxful, we have this section here you can fund your account. And if you want to deposit dollars with Wire, on the Deposit Fiat tab, you just click that Deposit Fiat button and enter the wire instructions for your bank. Next, you'll need to fund your MT5 account from your Beaxy account. So we'll click on that Internal Transfer tab. And we're going to reverse these because we need to go from the Beaxy web account to the MT5 account. And we will move $100, 100 USDC into MT5. And to connect MT5 to Beaxy once it's up, we will go to File, Open an Account, and then type in Windy Ink in the search bar and hit enter, and you should see it, and you can click on it there and then click next. And we'll want to connect to an existing trade account. The login here will be the numeric number or name for your MT5 wallet. So for there it's 2019 for USDC. So we're going to enter that into login and then use your regular Beaxy password for the password. And this will allow you to access USDC on MT5. If you want to add Bitcoin and USD, those will be individual again with the other account numbers that are listed. And there you can see the trading history. So that'll show you your balance on the trade tab. And if you want to add another chart, say like ETH, you just right click there and add chart window. And if you're going to do any manual trading, we'll definitely get into the automated trading in this video, but for manual trading you would just click new order and you can see the bid and ask spread tracked in real time there, which is pretty cool. See the open interest move in real time. At the top we'll have our ticker that we're on right now. The pair is ETH USDC. For limit orders, we would use a pending order. There we can enter a price that we want to buy at, or an exchange execution order for market. We'll start with a pending order to try out a limit order. So we'll enter an order for 0.01 ETH to buy. Let's try around 4,080. And we can see that limit order is now open. And we're just going to cancel it to get it out of there and try a market order. Let's go back up to new order and exchange execution. And this time we'll just do a standard market order for 0.01 ETH. We could see the trade open there with a small 20-cent loss. Oh well. And to close the trade, you could just click the X there. So it's pretty seamless getting in and out of positions, even when manually trading on MT5. And we have the history tab. We can see that trade that we just opened and closed, and we ate that 23-cent loss. Now, before jumping into the automated stuff, I just wanted to show a couple other pieces that would be good for just some of our clients. So like I think we start on the alerts tab here. I'm just going to show them if they want to start an alert, you right click and hit create. And then from there you can pick, the symbol, you can pick how you want to get the notification, if it's a sound or a text or whatever. And the expiration date, if you want it to be based on the bid price or the ask price. And then if you need to modify it or cancel it, you just right click there and you can do whatever you need to. And then also going to before expert advisors tee up the signal. So here we can explain these as the expert advisors are automated strategies that will actually open and close trades for you, whereas these are just signals like on Beaxy. But here I would just explain that you can see the back tested win rate, what the results were, how many subscribers they have, what their win rate is, and the price and all that. And this part, if you want to run automated stuff on MT5, you need these like this VPS space, this virtual server space. So I just did the $15 one to have it to test. But just an explainer that you'll need that server space in order to run an automated strategy. And then next with that, there's that algo trading button up at the top. Let me see if this is where we're going now. Yeah, so this algo trading button, it has to be clicked to green on play in order for bots to run. So this is just adding in a mention of that. They'll need to flip that to green before they try to run anything automated. So it starts off just turning the algo running back on so that we can trade the expert advisor strategies. And then again, just checking to make sure that the VPS is turned on and connected. And so this is the whole marketplace overview, which is all the products that the third parties and expert advisors and people that know how to develop on MQL5. These are all the indicators and automated strategies. So that's just everything on one view. And then we have other tabs for indicators, libraries, utilities. These are all just going to be indicators. So the difference is that these aren't placing trades on your behalf, just the experts will. So these are just more refined TA that you can add to your charts. So like that one's based on certain trend lines, and then that one RSI. And then just in the experts, these are all strategies that'll run algorithmically and trade, open and close trades on your behalf once you set them. And we're just trading crypto, so we'll filter for anything Bitcoin related. And this is all of the strategies offered for Bitcoin. And searching through them, you can see like the prices range from about $50 all the way up to $1,300. So we'll pick two to download and test, and the MACD jumps out. The MACD is a pretty strong indicator, so we'll take a look at this one. And then we'll download the MoneyMine BTC and see how it compares and compare the performance between the two. So we can see the author left some notes that he based the strategy on the MACD and incorporated position management. And we can see in the corner there that it has 5 activations, so 5 other traders are going to be running this strategy. And it's set on the BTC USD pair for 1 hour. And the author also included some screenshots from their back testing to show that their profit was about, I think that was about 3,700. And click download to add it to your account. And then we could see under our expert advisors in our account that MACD Bitcoin MT5 strategy is available now. And to add it, we would just drag it onto the chart. But first, we'll look for the MoneyMine BTC. We're going to download this strategy as well. And if you want to check out the reviews from other traders, they will have reviews that they leave on certain strategies. And they said, I like this expert advisor very much. I look forward to your future success. So that trader had some success with that strategy. And so now we have both the MoneyMine and the MACD Bitcoin strategies available on our account. And to deploy it, all we need to do is drag it onto the chart. And for right now, we're just going to backtest the results. So we'll go into the strategy tester. And we can see that we have our MACD strategy toggled in the expert field. And that strategy tester, if you ever lose it, just go back into view and click strategy tester to bring it back up. And we have both of our strategies there. We're going to start testing the MACD. And to test it, we have these symbols we can choose from to decide which pair to put it on and the time frame and the date range that we want to test it for. So we're going to start off trying 1 hour, and we can kind of go through and tinker these and look at the results and see how they change as we're changing the configuration. So to start, we'll just do a month. So we'll bring this to April 10th. And we are going to start with a $10,000 deposit, and this is just spot trading. So to accurately mimic it, we want to use just 1-to-1 leverage. And we will see what this $10,000 grows to when we test this for the last month. So now we just go to the backtest tab after we've clicked start to see the results. And on the graph tab, you can see the results over time for that month we added. And for starters, we lost $8.49 with those configurations. So we're just going to try to refine this a little bit. We'll try a different time frame. So instead of trading the 1 hour chart, let's try a shorter time frame to give it more activity and see how it performs trading on a 30-minute chart. And back to the backtest tab, we can see that trading on a 30-minute chart, the bot ended up profiting $328. And this screen is really good and has a bunch of other data like how many trades you made and what your percentage of trades were profitable, the percentage that lost, how many were long and short, and your Sharpe ratio, Z-score, all very important metrics to consider. And just to see how these move and to try to really refine it and get an optimal performance, we'll just keep going down with this time frame to see if the profit continues to grow as we shorten it. So here we're testing a 15-minute chart. And in this case, the bot lost $333. So you can start to see how you can refine and move these configurations to optimize for profit before you put the bot into actions. Then you know the best setup to add. And next we'll look at the MoneyMine BTC strategy. This will also do on the Bitcoin USD pair. And for this one, we'll try a longer time frame. Let's go back to the beginning of the year. And we'll start it off with an hour and see how it does. So over that period, the bot generated $1,890 in profit, which is pretty impressive. That's 18% for roughly 1 quarter and change. I guess it'd be like almost 2 quarters. Not great for crypto life, but that's generally pretty good. There we can see our entries by hour split out into regions and our entries by days and weeks. Profit and loss broken out by hours and by the weekdays and by months. We can see that like Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday performed very well for 5 months. And we have correlation statistics and holding period data. And so here on this screen, this is just kind of closing, and we'll show them how they can add more of the basic indicators to the chart. We'll just show them that they have this whole suite of indicators like trend lines, which would give you something like Bollinger Bands. And then again, you just drag it onto the chart and add any settings you want.
Now that you're set up using MT5 and expert advisors to trade on Beaxy, we just want to take a moment to let you know about the deposit bonus program. If you're using trading bots, this offer might make a lot of sense for you. In a nutshell, the program will allow you to receive up to 500 USDC as a deposit match within 24 hours of clicking participate and depositing funds into your Beaxy account. This sum functions as a rebate on future trading fees generated by trading approximately $350,000 US in volume during a 6-month time frame. An important note here, withdrawals will be disabled by default if you're participating in this program until you've completed the requirements. Please contact our customer support team if you'd like to participate and maintain the ability to withdraw assets from the exchange. With that, thanks for joining in today, everyone. Hope it was informative. If you found this of value, please don't hesitate to share it around with your friends. If you would like more information from us, please don't hesitate to email us at info@beaxy.com or hit us up on Twitter @BeaxyExchange. If you would like more tutorial videos, please head over to our YouTube channel. Thanks, everyone. Till next time.